In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete your Gmail account permanently. To delete your Gmail account, open the Gmail app and after that click on the profile icon. Select the email that you wanna delete. After selecting Gmail, click on the again profile button and click on the Google account. Now scroll down and find the data and privacy tab and click on it. After that again scroll down. Now here you find delete your Google account button. So simple, click on it. It will take your Gmail password, maybe your mobile password. So you have to give and after that it will redirect you another page. Now scroll down and here are the two checkbox. So check the two boxes and click on the delete account. Now your Gmail account is permanently deleted.